Ty's Travels, Beach Day, by Starling Lyons. Pictures by Nina Mata, an imprint of HarperCollins Publishers. Ty looks out the window. The sky is blue. The sun shines. What a good day for the beach. Ty puts on his trunks. He grabs his pail and toys. Daddy and Ty go outside. They step in the warm sand. Ty wriggles his toes and grins. Ty and Daddy dig. They find seashells. They build a sandcastle. Ty spots a seagull. He shows Daddy. What will Ty see next? Ty wipes his face. He spots their cooler. Ty pulls out some ice pops. They drip and taste so good. What will Ty see next? The sea sparkles. Come on, Daddy, Ty says. Ty runs and splashes. Daddy splashes too. What will Ty see next? Then Ty hears something. Thwack! He looks next door. All Ty sees is the fence. Ty spots a beach ball. Up, 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 then down and thwack. Up, 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 then down and thwack. Up, up, up. Oh no! The ball flies over the fence. Ty hits the ball back. Thwack! Ty spots his friend Jazz. He's holding the ball. Thanks, Ty, Jazz says, waving. Ty looks at Daddy. Daddy smiles and nods. Want to come to our beach? Ty asks Jazz. Jazz asks his mum. He's back in a flash. Jazz steps in the warm sand. He wriggles his toes and grins. Ty and Jazz dig a moat. They splash. They surf the waves. What will they see next? Ty spots a crab. What a cool way to move. Daddy starts them off. On your mark, get set, go! Ty and Jazz crab race. What will they see next? Jazz spots his beach ball. Thwack! He hits it to Ty. Thwack! Ty hits it to Daddy. Back and forth, again and again. The sun shines. Ty and Jazz wipe their faces and plop on the sand. Ty spots the cooler. Daddy gets the ice pops. There's so much to see at the beach. Ty saw the best thing of all, a friend. If you are entertained, please like and subscribe. Click the notification bell to receive notification of our new uploads. Please leave a book suggestion you would like to hear in the comments section below. If you want a hard copy of this book to read along with, please click the link in the description.